Director General of Police DGP Dr. LR Bisnoy, hakasan terik leber ula pentip baka jinyok kurup drok hapok ka jylla hakine ki snem baladam, kalakot syadu lais pak klur, bat kiladon rius pak syupongut ki beriu dan keti ki balasyakem. Naka ne ya udrok ubasyong dor nyopusan klur layok kurup haus snem arhajar arpuar, shispa nyopho klur haus snem arhajar arpulai, bat arhui klur, tang hakine ki arbnai jo snem arhajar arpusau, ong neu hedu pulit. Hadu arpun riu kilo udrok heroin layok ban kurup hakini ki snem baladam, kani ka kentup ya 0.1 kilo heroin balayok kurup haus snem arhajar arpuar, kan riu poin lai kilo haus snem arhajar arpulai, bat jan kumba shi kilo heroin layok ban kurup tang hau ne ubenai kila lengkot bat rempang arhajar arpusau. Ka jinyok kurup ya ukenja ne marijuana kalong hadu sahajar nyos pa sanpo kilo hau arhajar arpusau, kata ka jinyok kurup badang shen daki bor pulit karibhoy district. Kata naka 6,000 saus pak kilo balayok kurup haus snem arhajar arpulai, bat lai hajar kendai spak prapunyo kilo haus snem arhajar arpuar. Naka liang DGP, ulale burom ru naka benta ki pulit karibhoy, halor kani ka jinyok kurup ya une ukenja bashi number ne first grade, kabala ja hakane ka sengi ublay balala. Barok kiladon hadu shispa khandriu teliki case bala register hapok ki kendon NDPS haus snem arhajar arpuar, bat kani kalaki usyakas shispa prapu khandai haus snem arhajar arpulai, bat katlai teliki case la register tang hakine ki arbenai bala dep jong neu snem themai.
I congratulate the newly promoted officers from additional SP to SP rank, and 2 from inspector to DSP rank. Probably they have not turned up. So now we can start regarding the drugs recoveries. Just to brief you quickly, in 2022, we have registered 116 cases. In 2023, our case registrations has gone up to 189. And in 2024, in the first 2 months, January and February, total 13 cases were registered. Our arrest figure is continuously going up. In 2022, 234 persons were arrested. In 2023, 355 people were arrested, and 2024 in the first 2 months, 25 people were arrested. So 610 arrests so far after my joining, and out of that 10% are women traffickers. In the 61 are women and the rest are male. We have recovered 7.5 kg heroin in 2022, 16.3 kg heroin in 2023, and nearly 1 kg heroin in 2024 in the first 2 months. So our total seizure of heroin will be approximately 26 kg. We have recovered marijuana in 2022, 3,987 kg. In 2023, nearly 1,400 kg. But in 2024, the recovery has gone up and it is 4,750 kg. At one go, the Meghalaya district police has recovered. Likewise, the yaba tablets recovery has also increased. In 2022, nearly 19,000 tablets were recovered. In 2023, more than 60,000 tablets were recovered. And in 2024, initial 2 months, nearly 2,000 tablets were recovered. Other psychotropic tablets, 16,928 in 2022, 32,298 in 2023, and 600 in 2024, first 2 months. For the first time in the history of the Meghalaya police, we have recovered crystal meth, that is 14.2 kg. Crystal meth is a very, very costly drug. The rate in the market is approximately 1.5 crore rupees per kg. Likewise, cough syrup in 2022, 28,000 bottles were recovered, and in 2023, 88,000 bottles were recovered. In 2024, the first 2 months, nearly 112 tablets in the bottles were recovered. Mobile phones, we have recovered 137 in 2022, 408 in 2023, and 30 so far in the 2024. The cash recovery, we have broken the 50-year records. In 2022, the 36 lakh rupees were recovered, but in 2023, nearly 45.6 lakh rupees were recovered, and in 2024, 60,000 rupees recovered so far. Likewise, in vehicle recoveries, in 2022, 67 vehicles were seized. In 2023, the number has gone up to 157, and in 2024, 12. In 2022, after analysis of the NDPS data, we found that the recoveries of the narcotic drugs and arrest of the drug traffickers mainly were affected in 28 police stations, but in 2023, the number of police stations has gone up to 30, and in 2024, in the first 2 months, the 32 police stations were affected. So by this data, you can very well imagine the gravity of the problems. Likewise, we have recovered the total drug cost. If you, by calculating the existing market rate, 75 crore rupees drugs were recovered in 2022. In 2023, the 170 crore rupees drugs were recovered, and in 2024, nearly 21 crore rupees drugs were recovered. So, nearly 300 crore rupees drugs were recovered during the last 2 years. This, the operations done by the Ribhoi police and seizing 4,750 kg marijuana. This marijuana is a pure grade marijuana, and the initial point was the Jylla district of Tripura, and from this it was passing through the Meghalaya, and we were able to nab the culprits, and now the case is under investigations. So this is regarding the recovery of drugs during last 2 years. But problem is still very, very serious. The Meghalaya state is still very sensitive because of its close proximity to the Golden Triangle areas. Earlier it was a transit, but now it has become the destination and transit both. The number of the consumers or the drug abuser in the state are continuously increasing, and which is cause of concerns for all of us. To tackle this menace, the Meghalaya police has adopted certain strategy like creating awareness, generating awareness, particularly among the youth by organizing awareness program in the school, college and university, and also continuously operations against the drug traffickers. Many of the drug traffickers are repeated offenders, and many of them are the interstate gangs. So Meghalaya police is committed to prevent this menace. We are also using the technologies to nab the drug traffickers, and our special branch and the CIDs, they are playing pivotal roles in using technology to trace the backward and the forward linkages of the drug traffickers. We are also sharing our inputs with the adjoining states so that the coordinated efforts can be put to control these problems. Other than that, we are also associating ourselves with the rehabilitation process, and in many police stations, the counseling cells are open. So they also started counseling to the drugs victims particularly, and by inviting the family members as well. We are also taking the help of the media, particularly electronic and print media, and you are also playing very important roles in generating awareness by publishing news frequently about the drugs recoveries. And the Honorable CM has given us vision of drug-free Meghalaya, and he is continuously appreciating our efforts by using the social media tweets and other things. So this is about the drugs recovery.